Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate lemon meringue from strawberry shortcake in Dress to Impress. Just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I used this hair in No Bangs in the color FFCE6A. Then I used this hair in, these bangs in the same color, position the Z2.49. Select these braids in the same color in the rework toggle. Position the Y to 0.48, rotate the X to 0.51, and scale it to 0.28. Then we're going to go here, go to the currency item, grab this dress in yellow, and then in this blue, 90CBEB, and then in 7AB651, and then in the yellow again. Then we're going to grab this top in that yellow color, and then the rest in white. Then we are going to grab the sleeves in yellow, grab the gloves in short, color the first one the color of your skin, and then the second one just in white. Grab the striped socks and color them in white and in that yellow. Grab the shoes and color it yellow, and I am going to also grab this bag in yellow, and then green, and then the rest in orange. Then we're just going to grab this bow in the type 3 toggle, type 2 sorry, in green. Scale it down a little bit, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.